This video demonstrates how to run the demo program for the RIIC module. The RIIC module is a software component that provides various functions for the I2C bus interface built into the RX microcontroller. The demo program for the RIIC module is a program that reads and writes data to the EEPROM implemented on the board. The basic operation of the RIIC module can be verified. This explanation in this video use the following environment setup. First, import the demo program for the RIIC module. The two demo programs used in this video are as follows. For detailed instructions on importing the demo, please refer to the video linked in the overview section. After importing, build the imported project. First, check the toolchain version under the project properties. Select the version installed on PC and click Apply and Close. After completing the settings, select the target project and click the Build button. If no errors appear in the console, the build was successful. Prepare to run the demo program by connecting the PC to the board using an E2 emulator Lite. Power the board using the AC adapter. Next, check the debugger and the power supply settings. Right-click the target project debug as Debug Configurations. In the Debugger tab, change the emulator to E2 Lite, RX. In the Connection Settings tab, configure external frequency, operating frequency, and supply power from emulator settings as shown on the screen, then click Apply. Once setup is complete, start a debug connection to the board from E2 Studio. The first program to be run is the master send program. Once connected, open the Renesas Debug Virtual Console view. To open the Debug Virtual Console, go to Renesas Views Debug Renesas Debug Virtual Console. Once Renesas Debug Virtual Console is open, click the Resume button to run the program. A few messages will appear in the debug console. This program writes the string Renesas to the EEPROM. If the output is displayed as shown on the screen, it indicates that the write operation to the EEPROM was successful. Next, run the master receive program. The operations up to execution are the same as those in the master send program. In the master receive program, if the output is displayed as shown on the screen, it indicates that the read operation from the EEPROM was successful. This is the basic operation of the demo program. Finally, here is some reference information. The RIIC module provides configuration options both through Smart Configurator and within the program code. The required option definitions are available in RIIC interface header file. For further details, please refer to the related application note. The link is available in the overview section. Additionally, the board includes test points that allow user to observe the communication waveforms. User can connect to an oscilloscope or other measurement instrument to verify the signals. For more information, please visit to the Renesas homepage.